What's up, fam? It's your girl Shireen Nicole back with another review. So in today's review, we're gonna be talking about this fungal nail treatment. Now listen, y'all, toenails are important in today's society, okay? We gotta keep the toenails looking fresh to death, okay? We can't be having no cheesy goodness on our toes, no fungi, no fungus, none of that. So I did happen to notice that my toe was looking a little crazy, and it ain't looking bad, so don't come for these toes, okay? But we're about to give this a go. But before we do, I do want to get into some of the key points and details that they have going on right here. So it says nail fungal treatment, deep, powerful formula. So that's a plus. Maximum strength, which we need, honey. Okay, we're going to get rid of everything, okay? You can't just cover it up with polish, honey, okay? Advanced formula for nail penetration, fast-acting and long-lasting treatment, restores healthy toenails and toe area. So you're getting a total of 6 bottles in here at 30 milliliters, which brings you to a total of 180 milliliters. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right there. And we're gonna crack this baby open and we're gonna see what it do, okay? Because I wanna see what it smells like. I wanna see how it's gonna go on my toe. Y'all gonna see how it goes on my toe as well. I'm gonna try my best. But y'all, my toe doesn't look bad. And it's always the big toe. Why it gotta be the big toe? I feel like it's because you're wearing socks and sneakers and it's hot, especially if it's hot where you're at, because I'm in Texas, honey. It's hot. All that sweating and stuff like that may have caused a little crunchy fungus, but we gonna give it a go. So as soon as I open it, I can smell it already. And that's probably a good thing because like they said, strong formula, very long lasting. So check this out. It comes with these little brushes. That's so great because you want to know why? You don't have to keep recontaminating your brushes. So like, let's say you dropped one or you used it on your toe already. You're not going to re-dip it into the solution that you just used and put it back on your toe again. No, because you just putting the fungus right back on your toe, honey. So the way this works is, ooh, we got some more stuff. I'll get to that in a minute. So this is the other thing that it came with. So we've got 4 of these nail files that come in there as well. So you can dig and scrape and get up under your toes and maybe get the grossness out. But the way that this is gonna work is, let's stick to one brush, right? We're gonna clean this out with some soap and water afterwards, and we're gonna spray it down with some alcohol is what I would do. That's not something I'm telling you to do, but this is what I'm gonna do. Because like I said, you don't wanna re-dip and just keep contaminating. Now you done contaminated the bottle and the brush and your toe because you just re-putting back what you're trying to get off. So right off the bat, this is the bottle right here. I'll show you guys what it's looking like. As you can see, everything right there. This is the box in its entirety, how it comes, and everything comes packaged inside like so, just in the slots or whatever. So the brush is a nice soft brush. I want to see what it's smelling like. But like I said, I smelled it as soon as I opened it. It smells clean. It doesn't smell, it smells clean. Not medicine-y, maybe a hint. But it smells good. It doesn't smell like something you're gonna be like, oh, I gotta put that on my toe. So you don't have to worry about the smell. So I'm gonna try to hold y'all with one hand. All right, so unfortunately we won't be doing this foot. But I wanna show you exactly what I'm talking about with, so you guys get a gist of what I'm talking about. It's not bad at all. It's just, you gotta catch things before they get worse. You know what I'm saying? And that's something I feel like doing, which is catching it before it gets bad. So I don't know if you could tell right here, you see that it's like white and it's kind of going down. If I'm not mistaken, that's the start of a fungus infection. And we want to nip that in the butt, honey. And like I said, I'm always wearing my socks and stuff of that nature. And I'm always walking around in socks, slipper socks, fuzzy socks, and they're warm. You know what I'm saying? So it's just something that keeps me comfortable. What I'm going to do is I already dipped it in there and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on. Now, we will read the instruction in a minute, which I should have did first. But I just wanted to go ahead and get the demonstration going because I've used one of these before in the past and this is how it worked. So you just put it on and look, it's drying up already. It's drying up already, y'all. It done dried up. So that's the good part. All right, so I have it right here. I haven't re-dipped it or anything. Now, let's say you did want to put maybe a second coat. You could dip a new one in there and then reapply on top. But let's go ahead and get into the instructions. So I'm just gonna hold you guys in my hand for right now because I had you guys taped up to my computer. So the first thing that we need to do is shake it well before use. And I did do that because like I said, I had one before and I had to shake it well. Now the part that you want to make sure that you do is store at room temperature. And it does have the Fahrenheit and stuff like that on here that you need to keep it stored at. It also says protect it from freezing. If freezing occurs, warm to room temperature. Keep tightly closed when not in use. So yes, I'll show you that right here on the box. But yes, y'all, putting it on, it felt good. I could feel it like going into my toenail. I could feel it seeping into my toenail. That's the only best way I know how to describe it. So like I said, my toenail wasn't bad. It was just getting that, I guess you can call it a hollow point within the nail. And that is a sign of some sort of fungus, honey. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I ain't no doctor. But I said, let me nip it in the bud before it starts getting crazy. And we ain't trying to lose no toenails over here. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video review of the toenail fungal nail treatment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.